Now we have seen just now what greatest number and smallest number. We have seen only the example. Now we are going to do some exercises. Now you can understand the concept very well. Let's start the class. Okay, digits as given and greatest number you have to find out and smallest number you have to write it. Okay, first you have to digits as given in the boxes. Last just now we have seen only the example, but now we are going to see the exercise. So digits is given 1, 4, 3, 8, 5, 2. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. But this number is not in the proper order. Just simply this called as an individual number. But it's mixed together as a jumble form. So we have to arrange in the ascending order as well as the descending order, because we have to frame the greatest number and the smallest number. Greatest number means we are using only the descending order, and the smallest number means we are using ascending order. I'll repeat once again. So the number is given, the digits are given, so we have to form the greatest number as well as the smallest number. Greater number, while we go for a greatest number, if you want to form the greatest number, we have to use only the descending order. Descending means descending order means biggest to smallest, and ascending order means smallest to biggest, or bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger. So this is the difference between the descending and ascending. Descending mean that is bigger number to smaller number, or biggest number to smallest number. Ascending means smallest to biggest or smaller to bigger. This is the only difference between these two. Now the first question, that is first question and second question we are going to solve. First question 1, 4, 3, 8, 5, 2. Greatest number we are going to form. So I've told you we are using only the ascending order. Which number is the greater number, or which number is a bigger number in these number, in this in this format, or in this these numbers. So which number is a bigger number? 8 is a bigger number. Next bigger number is 5, and next bigger number is 4. Next bigger number is 3. Next is 2, and the last is 1. This is the very lowest number, that is the smallest number. So biggest to smallest. So 8 is the first one, and second is 5, and third one is 4, and the fourth is 3, and the fifth one is 2, and the last is 1. So now you form the a greatest number according to the descending order, according to the descending order. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. That means 8,54,321 is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Next is the smallest number. Smallest number means which is a very least number. First you have to give the first priority. Smallest number means we are using only the ascending order. Ascending means what? I've told you, smallest to biggest or smaller to bigger. That is, first one is 1, the next one is 2, the next is 3 and 4 and 5 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. That is 1,23,458 is the smallest number. This is the greatest number. That is what you have written. And the next one is 87092. This is the question is given. So question is given in the box. We can call only the individual numbers. That is what we are using between the numbers, comma. But while you write the greatest number, while you form the greatest number, while you form the greatest number, while you write the number, you should write only the numbers without comma. Then finally you have to use the comma like this. Suppose if you have any confusion, better you do one thing, don't use comma. So what is greatest number means? What is the answer you are going to give? We are using only the descending order. What is descending order? I told you already. That is biggest to smallest number. Biggest to smallest number, it is called as the descending order. So which one is the biggest? So 9. Next one is 8. Next is 7. The next is 2, and the last is 0. This is the very biggest number, this is the smallest number. So biggest to smallest. So ones, tens. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how you are going to count? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 98,720 is the greatest number. Now you move on to the smallest number. So smallest number, so you should not use in this box, which one is the very smallest number? 0. But you should not start with 0, because if you start with 0, you can't form the number properly. So the next biggest number is, which one is 2. So you start with 2. So 2 first you have to write, the next one is 0. Then after that, which one is a bigger number? That is 2, 0, next is 7, next is 8, and the last one is 9. This is the very smallest and this is the biggest. So smallest to biggest, it is called as what? Ascending order. I have already told you, greatest means we are using descending order. Descending order. Descending order means what? Biggest to smallest. Then here smallest. That is, we are using ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order here. That means smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. So the both answers are correct. So 20,789 is the right answer for this question. So if you use comma, have confusion, means better you avoid commas. That is very easy for you also. Actually, you have to use comma. That's the right way. But suppose you are practicing, if I use comma in between the numbers, I have little confusion, means better you avoid the numbers. Just write the greatest number only using the descending order. Greatest number only the descending order, smallest number only the ascending order. Form the number.